Silver Lake Sand
Hi,
Dunes.
Mom.
It's super windy.
Hi, Mom.
Ellie, look at
Say
mommy.
hi to mama.
Yeah. Look at her.
It's like a smokestack.
That's heavy.
Bro.
Hi guys, second day sa Silver Lake Sand
Hi, Mom.
Dunes.
It's super windy.
Hi, Mom.
Ellie, look at
Say
mommy.
hi to mama.
Nasa sand dunes pa rin kami and second day namin to guys. Maaga kami pumunta dito, siguro mga around 9 a.m. So nag-stop lang kami saglit para magpahinga. Kanina pa kami paakyat baba dyan, si Travis paakyat baba. And si Travis mag-ano siya, magtag dito sa, pupunta siya ulit doon sa ano, gamit naman yung four-wheeler. May na-aksidente kanina doon sa may hill, isang nagmo-motorcycle. Nagmumotor. Puro na ano siya. Daming ano dito guys. Ang daming mga side by side. Grabe. Alam nyo ba guys, yung pinakatuktok kanina, grabe. Para kaming nasa roller coaster pagka jump namin. Para kaming parang nakakatakot kasi ayaw mo parang tumaob or something. Pero buti na lang. Muntik na talaga. Kasi ano siya eh, kapag windy daw, nag-shift yung parang ano ng sand, yung formation. Tapos kung titignan nyo, matarik siya ngayon. Mas nagiging busy na rin ngayon. Kanina umaga hindi masyadong busy. Ellie! Eliana!
Hold on right there.
Look at these little four-wheelers.
So si Ellie dito lang sa amin sa baba. While yung daddy niya paakyat. Yung isa pa doon, hindi lang kasi itong una. Meron pang pangalawa na mas mataas pa. Oh, tignan nyo. Grabe oh.
Look at his rear.
It looks like a spider, you know?
It's so you don't break it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at Ellie. Are you going up there, Ellie?
That'd be so fun. The sand really paints your
Nagulat
face.
ka biglang makit si Ellie doon, no? Nag-drive. Grabe yung mga pera nitong mga to. Mamahal ng mga side-by-side na yan, oh. Ang dami dito mga fancy na sasakyan. Wala, umakit na yung isa. Ang sarap ka mo nilang panoorin. Oh, look at those four-wheeler. They didn't make it.
Yeah, they're rentals. They don't know what they're doing. They're brand new.
But they can go up, right? Oh, look at that.
They can get up if they try.
I think she can make it up there. Oh,
I
we'll
hope
see.
they don't roll it. They look
Yeah.
very new on four-wheelers.
Oh, no.
Hey, you need a four-wheeler? Oh, you need that.
Diba?
Take a four-wheeler.
Makyat ako dyan kahapon. Kaya naman.
Oh.
Ito gamit namin. Wala, look at that ano.
That's a 4-runner, maybe?
Oh, wow. That's very impressive.
TRX, that's 130 grand.
That TRX right there?
Easy. 700 horse. Listen to him for
Yeah, let's see this. What is this TRX?
700 plus horse. That
Wow.
thing will fly.
How much is that?
About 130.
Oh my gosh. Grabe. Grabe yung mga tao dito pag mag... Bakit doon siya papunta? Why she's going there?
Look, Mom, watch him go up. Look, he's gonna hit that.
The bump right there, the big bump. Wow.
Oh, yeah, but wait, watch. Oh, you gonna frame out? No, he framed out. Ow, he's stuck.
Oh no!
I told you. Oh,
Is she stuck?
Yeah, he's stuck.
Oh no!
Yeah.
So now they have to...
I was just I was gonna knock on his window. I was gonna tell him, do not stop.
So he's gonna back up?
He just framed out. He can't. He's
Oh
stuck.
shoot.
Babe, when you go over, the middle of his truck bottomed out. So
Uh-huh.
both his wheels are in the air.
Oh no.
He's like teetering.
Sitting on the middle of the plane.
It's called framing out. He framed out. Oh no.
Oh no. Mahangin kasi sobrang hangin eh. It's so nice in here, the breeze.
Yeah.
Ang sarap nila panoorin, no? Oh, look at that. Ellie, look at the chicken, no? Is that a chicken or eagle? Oh, that's an eagle. Ah! Ellie. Hindi niya sinaon. Ellie! Hi! Say hi! Hi to the vlog! Hi! She's having fun. Is that Dad's friend, Ma? The right there? I don't know if that's a scout.
That's a scout. That's a whole, yeah.
Yeah. Kasi dinala din namin yung scout ni Daddy Ron. Pero makit din si Daddy Ron doon sa
Take your
laas.
socks off and walk in the sand.
Ayan, aakyat sila. O, tingnan
You
mo.
want to walk in the sand?
Grabe,
Get
nakakait.
down.
Grabe itong mga to. Oh. Tingnan natin. Oh, we'll see kung makaakyat siya. Kasi ang dami din hindi nakakaakyat eh. Tingnan mo, nai-stuck yung iba. Oh, na-stuck siya. Kailangan niyang bumaba ulit. Tapos daw, pag bababa ka, kailangan straight yung baba mo. Kasi pag tabingi yung pagbaba mo.
What's up, big guy?
Dami nakikilala ni Travis, oh. May raptor din kasi nagtatanong siya paano daw i-control. Ayaw ko basta may tinanong siya. Sarap nilang panoorin, guys. Nakakatakot lang sa pinakataas kasi nga mastak ka talaga tapos kailangan mong magpa-hatak. Are you playing? What you got, Ellie? What is that, Ellie? Malamig din yung buhangin, guys. Kaya masarap magpaa. Hindi kasi siya sobrang araw ngayon kasi windy. And then wala na masyado yung smoke. Nag-clear na siya. Kung makikita nyo doon, wala. Meron pa siguro onte. Pero, diba? Tara yun. What you got, Ellie? Ellie, what you got? Grabe yung mga nagmumotor dito. Oh, pak na pak, mga nagmumotor. Nakakatuwa makita yung mga old na sasakyan na dinadala dito. May mga jeep din, side by side. Tignan ulit natin kung kakayanin ulit ng puting truck. Diba? Sarap manood. Hala! Mastak siya. Diba? Hindi kinakaya. Sabi ni Travis, kailangan daw talaga pag aakyat ka, full speed. Diba? Tapos pag magbaback up ka, kailangan diretso. Kasi pag nag-side ka, matataob ka. Ala, nag-smoke, oh! Wow! Are you playing? Ellie? Are you playing? Are you playing? Look at you! She loves to play because it's not hot. Yeah. Look at her.
It's like a smokestack.
Yeah.
So it does that. It's a diesel that'll blow smoke.
Right. Look, he did that right there.
Waiting for somebody. I could pull him out, but somebody'd have to ride with me and hook the strap.
Oh, that
He's stuck.
yeah, there's stuff.
What's the strap got? Strap's got tow hooks.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're stuck.
Yeah, they high centered.
Yeah. Ellie, you playing?
at that smoke, Karen. Look at the smoke.
Oh no, look at that smoke, Mom.
Look at that. Look at that stuff.
Oh wow. But he's not stuck, he made it.
Oh, his wife came out with him. That's the first time I've seen her.
Oh, look at that. Is that a Scout, Dad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. So traveler.
Let's see.
Yeah. We could run up there and call.
Right.
Travis stops talking.
He always meet new people. Oh, he made it.
Want to do that a minute?
Yeah, we can.
Are you gonna help them?
I mean, we can. I think he's stuck.
He's definitely stuck.
Tutulungan daw nila.
You want to do it with my truck?
Yeah. Here's the head here. I don't know if I'm going to make it up that high. I mean, we can, but you're going to have to hook the strap.
Yeah, I can.
I don't want to put it in first and get out.
Do you want me just to rip up with the quad and let it pass?
Yeah, I guess you can. I guess you can.
Tulungan daw nila yung na-stuck, pero i-ask muna nila.
I don't think he's getting out.
Oh!
Yeah, let me just see what he says.
Babe, give me that, chair.
It's good. I'll just set it down here.
Is he gonna go there, that Raptor?
No, he's gonna go. He didn't know how to use it. I just told him how to put it in Baja.
Okay.
I was like, dude, he goes, we can barely get up anywhere. I was like, you're in the wrong mode, brother.
Will you hold my hat for right now?
His dad just bought it.
But he's
for
going.
this event. Yeah,
No.
I told him. I said go slow. I said go slow. You won't need to really rip it until you get to the bottom, and then go. Watch.
Let's
Come on,
see.
punch it now.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
He's going too slow.
Yeah, he needs to go faster. Hit that pedal right there, gas pedal.
look
Woo!
at-
There you go.
Going too slow.
But he made it.
Oh,
No.
he made it. He really should have ripped it a
Yes,
little harder.
that's a Raptor fan
A little
right
harder.
there. Oh,
So-
someone already try to.
Oh, there.
But that's a Jeep. They're gonna try to probably. Iba tayo makikita ditong eksena.
So-
There's a lot of scene that you will see here.
He's new to the Raptor. He didn't know about the modes. I said, yeah, you need to do it. Turn advanced trap
Sabi na,
off.
makikita kanina may
I told him
na-aksidente.
it's gonna feel like a
Kanina may na-aksidente doon, may ambulance, tapos may police. Tapos ngayon nandito kami nanonood. Andun si... I thought that's going up there.
Oh, well, he was, but someone's already helping.
Right.
Oh, did it drop? Yeah, I wasn't.
Diba? Nakakatuwa manood. So after nito guys, mag-play pa kami saglit. And then, babalik kami sa may, mamaya. Babalik kami sa may camping, namin. Camping site.
It already fell on the sand.
I don't know if that
It's probably got a little bit of sand in it from it falling, but
yeah, he's up there now, the dude, the Raptor.
well, so I just taught him how to basically use the
So-
four-wheel drive mode.
So this is his first time going
yeah,
out.
he said that he was having trouble getting up hills.
Yeah.
So I just kind of showed him how to use the gear selections
Right.
and told him how to turn advanced track off.
Yeah.
And his lockers are off. I said now that it's in Baja, it's going to be a completely different animal.
Right. Nice. They're
His
up
dad
there.
is retired Navy.
Okay. Alright guys, balitaan namin kayo later. We'll see you later.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so dahil nga Heroes of the Dunes dito ngayon, meron silang parade. Let's see kung ano yung kaganapan ng parade nila dito. Alright. Tingnan natin kung ano yung paparade nila. Nakapila sila o tapos hinaharangan na nila to para hindi dumaan yung mga side by side, mga ganun. Look guys, may helicopter. din. May mga parang mga plane din. Helicopter din na nagpapalipad. Diba last time?
My dad.
They have helicopter too?
There's
She
my
crying.
dad.
Is she crying?
Probably just playing. Probably time for her nap.
Look at the airplane, Ellie. There's an airplane.
Yeah.
There's an airplane.
Grabe, ang busy na ngayon. Sobrang busy na. Nice.
Yeah. What's he doing?
It feels like it's starting to break through the jump.
You're good, babe. It's not gonna break. I stand on it all the time. Holy crap!
What happened?
Look at that.
Oh shoot, that's a
Flagpole.
oh yeah. Oh, okay. So that
Hey, you see that flagpole?
yeah. That's heavy.
Bro. That flagpole is huge.
Okay, mag-start na sila ng parade.
I didn't even, it's your
Yeah, I didn't even see it until he mentioned it.
Check out this epic flagpole. Babe, you got, oh
Just
shoot.
look at
Dad,
it.
grab Ellie so we're not dropping her.
Come here. We're gonna look at the flag.
Wow, look at that.
Look at right here.
I don't know if I would trust that.
Oh gosh.
That's wild.
That's huge. Ngayon na mag-start ang parade.
Wow, it's really windy, guys.
We're gonna watch the parade.
We'll see kung anong meron. Ooh, oh, okay, that's that.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay, so sila yung mag-ano.
Look at this way. Look at them.
Nice. So, most of them military, guys.
That's why they stop.
Right.
Watch, I'm gonna get in there with the scout. Watch this.
Right?
I know. Here they all come. Look at them. Like them down.
Wow.
The what?
Oh, shoot. Look at that vehicle right there. Okay. I think that's their entrada. Yung entrance nila. Tapos na yata. Grabe yung bigat yun. Look at that pole. Nice. Alright, I think tapos na. Ayun na yata yung parade nila. Akala ko may mga anek-anek, alam mo yon, yung mga ZR2 Ford. May pulis din dito guys. Tapos ito ata DNR. Yung isa kanina ata pulis. Ano meron? Grabe ang busy. Oh, that's a nice Bronco. That's a nice Bronco, ma. Oh yeah, that's a Raptor Bronco. That's the one I like. That's nice. But they are expensive. Alright, tapos na sila guys. We'll see kung meron pa. So, ayun ang kaganapan dito, guys. Ayun ang kaganapan dito sa Silver Lake Sand Dunes ngayong araw, ano? Ang haba ng vlog natin. Nanood kami ng parade, tapos madaming issue na nangyari. Katulad noon, oh, tignan mo. May hinahatak sila doon, oh. Ang daming mga ang daming mga interesting na makikita mo dito. May iba kasi dito pag mag-drive parang alam mo yun, parang gusto na nila last day na nila ngayong araw. Grabe kasi minsan lumilipad pa yan sila doon. Kala ko may parade pa eh. Tignan natin kung may parade pa sila. Baka yan na yun, tapos na. Ay, papasok pa lang. So, ayun lang guys yung vlog natin for today. Thank you for watching and joining us today. See you next time!